Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay! So today I'm going to review the final lipstick from Miliani. Yeah, but before I'm going to review, make sure you subscribe my channel and follow my Instagram. And let's move on to the review. Yeah dear, so here I have two lipstick from Miliani. Okay, look at here. This one, the newest product from Miliani. Okay, you can see how pretty, how gorgeous this packaging. So because of that, I bought this lipstick. Okay guys, I bought in normal price in Western Singapore. Okay, I still have the receipt. Okay, one lipstick is 18 Sing dollar, yeah. So now let's see the packaging. There is a color sticker on the bottom with a glossy plastic packaging, and in the middle has Milani logo. Okay guys, I don't know why, but looks very beautiful packaging. And this is a slim type of lipstick. And guys, today I'm using this lipstick as my blusher and my eyeshadow base. You can see, oh my god, look very healthy skin, right? Okay, this one is moisturized lipstick. I don't know if they have matte lipstick. I think they have, yeah guys. So now I'm going to swatches for you on my hands. You can see how pretty this color, guys. Oh my god. And the smell very nice. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to swatches here. Okay, and I'm going to remove this lipstick. Okay, and let's try on the pink one. Oh my god, this is very pretty pink color, guys. Smells so nice. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, you can see. Okay guys, you can see detail of these colors. Okay, I want to drink this water and let's see transfer or not. Transfer guys, transfer. So guys, if you ask me this lipstick worth it to buy or not, yeah, actually I don't know. It's depend on your need. If you're a makeup collector like me, you have to buy this because you can see this one very cute packaging, right? But if you are only use this lipstick for your everyday makeup, this one's still worth it to buy. But I don't know this one long lasting or not, but I think this one no long lasting. And I feel a little bit dry on my lips. Yeah, wait, I'm gonna to show you. In the middle, guys. I feel a little bit dry. I don't know, but before I'm going to makeup, I'm using the lip balm already. I don't know why. I feel dry in the middle. So guys, that's all of my video today. Thank you so much for watching this review. And please don't forget to leave your positive comment on comment section below because I want to read and reply for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.